MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
When it comes to wringing performance out of luxury, AMG pretty much wrote the book. Their latest chapters, the 2019 Mercedes-AMG 53 Series E-Class Coupe, E-Class Cabriolet, and CLS. They replaced the short-lived AMG 43s with more powerful, mild hybrid engine layouts. Each shares a new electrified 3-liter turbo i6 producing 429 horsepower, an AMG SPEEDSHIFT TCT 9G transmission, dynamic select driving modes, AMG RIDE CONTROL Plus air suspension, and rear-biased AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. With all of that hardware, AMG prowess is obvious as soon as you pound the pedal. A 48-volt electrical system and EQ boost technology trigger a starter alternator between the engine and transmission, immediately releasing an extra 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. There's also an auxiliary electric compressor, or E-charger, that provides instant gratification, eliminating any lag from the 3.0's exhaust-driven turbo. Shifts are also super quick, with these performance-minded Mercedes claiming 0 to 60 times of 4.4 seconds or less. All-wheel drive lays down tons of traction right from the start and great grip through the turns. Angling through the curves, the AMG tuned suspension and adaptive damping is nimble and balanced. On sale now, the 2019 Mercedes-AMG E53 Coupe starts at under $74,000. Stepping up to the Cabriolet or CLS 53 begins around $80,000.